The field worker receives a notification that a work order has been received. The job involves replacing a track circuit bond. The field worker uses the FSM app to review the work order details, including all attachments. The app directs the field worker to the job site. Once on site, the track worker follows all necessary safety protocols and takes physical possession of the track section. During the work block, a non-urgent defect is identified and raised in the app. Once the job is complete, the track circuit is tested and measurement readings are captured. Timesheet details are entered. A photo is taken in real time, and the completed form is submitted back to the asset management system. Learn more about field service management.